Another chance at hitting this ball out of this ground. That's what he'll be looking to do, is swinging really hard, doing a lot of connecting as well.
Full toss. Has it gone for six? Yes, it has. That's another terrific shot. Spectators are ducking all over the place, almost in the hospitality suite.
Well, I said he was swinging really hard. He's also connecting really well. Sometimes you get overwhelmed by the moments. Sean Irvin trying to get that ball in the hole, in the block hole, missing by quite a long way. Ball disappearing out the ground.
Length again, he's gone underneath it. 6 more runs. Brilliant stuff from Abdul. He really has played superbly here. 50 up. Amazing stuff. In no time.
Well, he's gone from 53% strike rate to over 100. He's got to 54 and it's taken him just 47 deliveries. This is the shot he's most adept at, hitting over wide mid-off and extra cover, hitting inside out when the balls fall. Magnificent stroke play.
Full toss, coming towards us, the commentary box. That's gone for 6 more. Ended up about 10 feet to our right. What a huge blow that was.
Oh my goodness. This is absolutely amazing. Magnificent hitting. Low ball tosses are pretty difficult to hit, but he has hit that the furthest and the hardest of the lot.
Full toss. Hit it well. Hit it beautifully. 6 more runs. Wow, this is a great. Number 6 for Abdul Razzaq.
He's hit more 6s than he's hit 4s. He's only hit 2 innings. He's shown some great power. He's managed to hit that low full toss way over the boundary.
There was some talk that he was going to be left out of this squad to Sharjah. Abdul Razzaq, and Rashid Latif is the man who insisted he should be here just as well. He's got a lead, but he's straight back over the bowler's head. And 6 more.
Well. There is really not too much more to say about all this. It really is quite astounding. From a situation we thought Zimbabwe were in the pound seat, Abdul Razzaq has totally transformed this Pakistan